Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope that you all are fit and fine at your homes and you have done all your half yearly examinations very well. Okay, students, so this is Andri, and today I'm going to explain our chapter number 7, Down the Rabbit Hole. Okay, so now let us, students, first of all, we will move towards the reading portion, that is, on a summer afternoon, Alice stumbled down a hole and an extraordinary adventure began. In a strange world with even stranger characters. So, one day, what happened? On a summer afternoon means um, one day in the time of summer, in afternoon, Alice is a girl. Alice stumbled down a hole and an extraordinary adventure began. Means here Alice is a girl, means Alice एक लड़की है जो कि एक होल के अंदर गिर जाती है. एंड एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, यू कैन से दैट अनयूजुअल और अनऑर्डिनरी adventure happened in a strange world with even stranger characters. You know, in a strange world means जब वो होल के अंदर जाती है, in a strange world means एक strange world होता है वहाँ पे. You can say that abnormal world with even stranger characters. She met a rabbit with a pocket watch. Means here in the picture you can see that Alice met a rabbit with a pocket watch, joined a Mad Hatter's tea party and played cricket. Croquet, do you know what is that? Students, croquet is a game played on the grass with balls and wooden hammers. Okay, so there she found a rabbit with a pocket watch, joined a Mad Hatter's tea party. Means the rabbit had joined a Mad Hatter's tea party and played croquet with the queen. Can you imagine that moment? How much exciting was that for Alice? Lost in this fantasy world, Alice found herself growing more curious by the minute. In that lost in that fantasy world means when Alice saw all those fantasy things, means that fantasy land, Alice found herself growing more curious, means she was becoming more and more interested minute by minute. This abridged version is an extract from the first chapter of Alice in Wonderland. Means this is abridged version, is an extract, means there is a book written by Lewis Carroll, Alice in Wonderland. This you can say that this chapter is a part of that book. Okay, so students, now let us move towards the story. Alice was beginning to get very tired by her sister on the river bank. Her sister's book was boring, no pictures. The hot day made her feel sleepy. Suddenly, a white rabbit with pink eyes ran past her. The rabbit was muttering to itself, "Oh dear." Okay, so students, now let us review that this paragraph. Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the river bank. Means what is Alice doing? What was Alice doing that time? She was beginning to get very tired. Means she has started feeling very tired by sitting by her sister on the river bank. Her sister's book was boring. Means the book her sister gave her was very boring. It had no pictures, means the book has no pictures at all. The hot day made her feel very sleepy, means that day or that time of day was very hot. She was feeling very hot and it made her very sleepy. Suddenly, White Rabbit with pink eyes ran past her. Me, suddenly what happened? A white rabbit with pink eyes ran past her, means ran near her. You can say that passed from there. The rabbit was muttering to itself. Muttering means complaining to oneself in low tune. Means the rabbit was saying, you can see that speaking very slowly to itself, means the rabbit was saying that thing to itself. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay. It shall be too late. It took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. It means that the rabbit, who was muttering to itself, said that I shall be late, and it took out his watch from his waistcoat pocket and looked at it, and then he hurried on, means move very fastly. Okay, so Alice jumped to her feet, for it flashed across her mind that she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat or a watch to take out of it. So what happened, that Alice jumped to her feet, means Alice jumped to her feet, for it flashed across her mind that she had never seen a rabbit, means the thing which she has seen, that a rabbit with a waistcoat and a pocket, she never seen that. So that thing flashed across in her mind, means she was surprised to see that. She ran across the field after it, and fortunately was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole. So what happened? She ran across. Who is she? She is Alice. She ran across the field after it, means she ran behind the rabbit, and fortunately was just in time to see it pop down, means what happened, the rabbit popped down, or you can say that hopped down side the large big rabbit hole. Okay, so in another moment down went Alice after it. In another moment, what happened? Alice also went down after that rabbit, never once wondering how in the world she was get to out again. It means she doesn't know how the world from inside where she was going, and she also don't know if she will come back from there or not. Okay, the rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way, and then dipped so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. What happened? The rabbit hole was straight on like a tunnel, and for some way, and then it dipped so suddenly that Alice found, means the hole of that rabbit was very deep like a tunnel for some way, and so suddenly that Alice found herself, means Alice felt that she was falling down in a very deep well. Okay, the sides of the well were filled with cupboards and shelves on which different items were kept. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. What happened, that on the side of the well, means on the sides of that well, or you can say that tunnel or hole from which the rabbit entered, she found cupboards and shelves on which different types of items were kept there. Here and there she saw maps and pictures, means she also looked at, or you can say that she saw some maps and pictures hung upon pegs. Okay, so there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. Peg means nails, or you can say that keel, which is hammered on the wall, so that the pictures or maps you can hang anything upon them. Okay, so students, that's all for today, and we will continue our chapter from tomorrow. Thank you.